Well, we're finally back out in the field. Early afternoon Saturday, we're finally back at it out in the field. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Actually, it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow night, I think. Don't think we're going to get a ton of rain, but probably enough to keep us out for a day or two. Just north of the Fox shop today. Not sure how much we're going to do today. We only have one bin site that is currently ready for us to unload in. Not going to be a horribly long day, I don't believe. Still plenty wet out here, and what we're doing is we're filling the auger wagon, and then we're bringing it over here and we're filling wagons, and then we're taking these into our bin site, which is, well, just beyond those trees right over there. We're getting into a little bit of a problem here where we're combining farther and farther that way, and the rows of course get longer as they go by my place. Problem is, we can't drive these tractors and wagons out there. You take a wagon like this and the tires are just gonna sink down in, and a lot of places can't even get that tractor and the auger wagon through. Ran into a place out here where there's some standing water, and if you remember, we combined a few days ago south of my place, and where it's already been combined, That's going to be wetter than it is here because it has all the trash laying on top of the ground. So right here in this corner, this is about the only place that we can fill these wagons up. It's going to be kind of a long haul, limited places where the auger wagon can go. And I guess it's just really muddy out there. The tracks on the combine are pushing some mud, I guess. May not be going a whole lot longer. I don't know if there's a field anywhere else we can haul out of. Well, it's only 4:15 in the afternoon, but the wet bin down here, that we're dumping this corn into is getting pretty full. So we're gonna have to quit here pretty soon. A couple more loads and it's gonna be pretty full. And not only that, sounds like the further east we go, the wetter it's getting as far as muddy. Just not an ideal situation. But hey, at least we're getting something done, right? Well, we got out of the field last night, got in about 7 o'clock last night or so. Wet bin was full at that bin site. Didn't know if we were going out in the field today or not. And no, we are not. Right now it's just a misty, not quite raining, just like a real heavy mist. Supposed to do this pretty much all day and into tonight, I think. So not going today, and I'd be kind of surprised if we go out in the field tomorrow. Hi guys. Everybody seems to be hungry this morning. But kind of like the other day, I didn't get a lot recorded. It kind of felt like the first day of harvest, to be honest. And it was the first day out in the tractor and wagons, and hauling into our own bins. So just didn't record a lot. Wasn't real exciting. A lot of waiting around since we had combine was out, auger wagon was out. We just park up in the corner of the field where we could get out of the field. And the heater just kicked on. Love this time of year. But like I was saying, we just parked the tractor and wagons up in one corner of the field by the driveway. It was kind of up on a hill. You could get out of there. There's no way you could pull one of those wagons through the field. Hardly empty, let alone full. There's no way. It would just sink down in. So it was just a lot of sitting around and waiting, and pretty boring. But things will pick up. I don't know about tomorrow. But after that, it looks like it's supposed to be sunny rest of the month. And before I call this video, send in your license plates for the license plate wall, or any kind of banners, decoration, that kind of thing you may have laying around, or anything else for that matter that you'd like to send into the Fox shop. Address down in the description. And like always, there's a link down there for channel stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, that kind of thing, so you can check that out. As far as what I'm going to do today, I think I'm going to take this up to the house, get it edited and uploaded, and then I think I'm going to come down here and clean this mess up. Looks like I'm going to have some visitors today too. Everybody's just hungry this morning. Hey, George. Anyway, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.